Pluto is a fascinating and somewhat mysterious world in our solar system. It was discovered in 1930 by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona. Initially classified as the ninth planet, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union (IAU) in 2006 due to its inability to clear its orbit of other debris. Orbit and location: Pluto resides in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy objects and dwarf planets. It's located at an average distance of about 5.9 billion kilometers (3.7 billion miles) from the Sun, which is roughly 39.5 astronomical units (AU). Its orbit is highly elliptical, oval-shaped and tilted, so its distance from the Sun varies considerably. At times, Pluto is closer to the Sun than Neptune, but their orbits are carefully aligned to prevent any collisions. Size and composition: Pluto is relatively small, with a diameter of about 2,377 kilometers, making it about 1/6 the size of Earth's moon. It's made mostly of rock and ice. The surface is covered in a mix of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. The composition of Pluto's atmosphere includes nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, but it is very thin and subject to change with its elliptical orbit. Moons: Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon, the largest of these, is about half the size of Pluto and orbits around a common center of mass with Pluto, meaning both Pluto and Charon are sometimes considered a binary system. Atmosphere and weather: Pluto has a thin atmosphere that expands and contracts as it moves closer to and farther from the Sun. When Pluto is farther away, the atmosphere freezes and falls to the surface as snow. As Pluto nears the Sun, it warms up slightly, causing the atmosphere to become more extended and even creating clouds. The atmospheric pressure is extremely low, about 100,000 times less than Earth's. Surface features: Pluto's surface is diverse, with vast plains of frozen nitrogen, icy mountains, and evidence of ancient geological activity. One of its most famous features is the heart-shaped region, informally known as Tamborahio, after Pluto's discoverer. The surface temperature is extremely cold, averaging around 229 C 380 F. New Horizons mission: the New Horizons spacecraft, launched by NASA in 2006, flew past Pluto in July 2015, providing the first detailed images and data of the dwarf planet. It revealed unexpected features, such as large ice mountains and complex atmospheric patterns. The mission greatly expanded our knowledge of Pluto's geology, composition, and moons. Pluto's reclassification: in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the IAU after they established a more precise definition of what constitutes a planet. According to the IAU, for an object to be considered a planet, it must orbit the Sun, be spherical in shape, have cleared its orbit of other objects. Since Pluto shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper Belt and does not dominate its region of space, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Cultural significance: despite its reclassification, Pluto remains an important and beloved symbol in popular culture. For many, Pluto was the last of the classical planets in the solar system, and its demotion sparked debates within both the scientific community and the public. Pluto remains one of the most intriguing objects in our solar system, offering insights into the outer reaches of the Sun's gravitational influence and the formation of the solar system itself.